Hello guys, so I just wanted to make a quick two-hand oblit frost decay sort of not a guide but just some thoughts. Um, First of all, I'm running Fallen Crusader. This is my build. Um, the class tree really doesn't matter as long as you have Soul Reaper and Abomination Limb. Those two are damage, so you just take them. Now, I'm also running Rider of the Apocalypse, even after the nerfs. I really like it. Now, what I will be talking about is mostly inside of pillars and how everything works out and what I think can change in this talent. So, first of all, I just want to point out that the long winter, I'm not a big fan of that. While Pillar of Frost is active, your auto attack critical strike increases its duration by 2 seconds up to 6. So basically what this means is it's using this talent here, Icy Talents. Every time you Frost Strike or Glacial Advance, you gain a stack up to 5 that increase your auto attack. And so this is basically RNG, and it's something that will be very RNG, each pillar. Sometimes you'll feel it, sometimes you won't feel it, and I'll show you in this video. So basically I was thinking of, I'm running this right now, but what I think I would do later is remove this for anything, right? You can take Chill Streak, I was thinking, so something like that. I don't think the long winter is needed, especially with this build. Um, you can also take Frostbite instead of Chill Streak. I think is very reasonable. Um, Frostbite is fine. Um, you want to use it inside of pillar, and then that's it. Just on cooldown inside of pillar and outside. Pretty much just on cooldown. Chill Streak is just on cooldown as well. You don't really think about it too much, unless there's some two target scenarios like Miss of Turnocite, the first boss. Chill Streak can be very good. Also, now that I'm talking about Mist, the first boss of Mist is um, really sort of, they made it worse for us because we don't have a CDR on pillar anymore. So what will happen is that pillar will not be up, or there's a chance pillar won't be up with a burst. You know how the first boss works. Basically, you have to kill the little ad, and then when it pushes at like 25%, the real boss becomes um like it gain like a, it gets done, and it you do more damage, right? So ideally in a perfect world you'd want to pillar on pole and make sure to have pillar for the burst phase. um but yeah, anyways, this was some thoughts I was thinking about. So yeah, for this talent, the long winter, um I'll go into why I don't like it, but I'm still playing it for now. It's mostly due to D&D and pillar, and also the RNG. So everybody knows this new cleaving strikes. When leaving your D&D, it retains for 4 seconds. So basically, what this means is D&D by default is 10 seconds. With this, it adds 4 seconds to it. Okay, let me show you. So I drop D&D. You can see my weaker right here. 5, 4, and then when it expires, it's still gonna be there for 4 seconds. See, it's still there. So that means it's a 14 second duration. Okay, and so pillar is 12 seconds by default. Okay, but with the talent I'm talking about, this it can be up to 6 seconds. So that means 18 seconds. So what happens is that D&D is 13, pillar is 18. Okay, so what this means is you might not have the full duration of D&D during pillar, and so it can cause weird things to happen. For example, like your D&D is about to expire, but you have pillar running for 4 seconds. Like what do you do? Like you cast D&D and then you have time to like killing machine once, twice. Yeah, just in general I don't like it. So I think this talent is really going to be um, either change or more consistent, I feel like. Um, Otherwise, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show you like what I mean. So I have no resource. I'll do my big rotation with Frostworm 3. So what I mean by Frostworm 3 is Frostworm 3 now is your big cooldown because of this. It calls 4 horsemen and you pop off because you gain all of the buff. So what I'm gonna do is I will Remorseless, Pillar, and then my first GCD inside of Pillar will be Frostworm's Fury. Um, well, actually, that's not true. I'm going to use Pillar and Holding Blast, but it's macro together. So I'll put the dots and generate a killing machine, right? So let me show you. So you see how my D&D is already down, but now if I get lucky, you'll see this numbers go up. You see it went up again. So now my D&D is expiring. Now what do? I drop D&D again? That's just what I don't like. Especially near the end of Pillar. Um, it's so bad. So, I don't know. Not a fan of this talent. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all I was gonna say. I think Two Hand has potential still. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, see ya.